Superman.
You want to be Superman. And what you want Mama to get you?
Pronoun.
So you want Mama to get you a costume of Superman? Okay.
I need to save the animals.
You need to save all the animals? Okay.
They're dangerous.
They're in danger? Okay.
It's very trouble. Trouble. Needs trouble.
They are in trouble. Okay. So what are you gonna do? Like, you gonna put a costume on?
Superman.
You're gonna be a Superman. And you're gonna put a costume on. And what are you gonna do?
Sorry, call me let me help me.
Who's gonna help you?
Sonic.
Sonic is gonna help you?
It says that's what the day Ellie.
It's gonna help Ellie. Okay. Okay. And you said that you was gonna fly? How are you gonna fly?
Superman. I say the day.
You're gonna be Superman save the day? Okay.
I need Sonic call. You call me my Sonic?
You need to call your Sonic. You want Mama to call your Sonic. So he can be a hero with you.
It's fast.
Because he can run fast.
It's like this is like wait.
So if Sonic run fast, then Superman what?
Ellie.
Okay, but Ellie...
I like pink like costume.
So you want a pink Superman costume? Okay.
I put it on.
I'll put it on, okay.
I drive.
And drive?
And then that's work.
You want to drive or you going to fly?
Fly.
You're going to fly.
You wait. No. You stay here.
Mama stay here? Okay.
I fly.
And you go and fly? Okay.
That works.
Yeah, that works. I love you.
A skunk touch water go that way.
A skunk is in trouble. Okay.
No skunk. It's this skunk is the same. The poop. And like fort. See a day.
Okay. I won't translate that because you're talking now about poo poo and you gotta save the day because this love is food. Alright. Okay.
Swab. I need swabble.
I know. They're in trouble. Okay.
What is mom swab?
It's just sloth. So you're trying to save a sloth.
What is try?
Okay, you're gonna try.
Try that one. Wait.
Okay.
Before you